Hi, my super sweet crafty friends. Happy New Year! I hope you had an amazing holiday season. In 2020 is your best year ever. And today I want to share with you the super cute and yummy Ferrero Rocher Nugget holders. And these are perfect for Valentine treats. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And these are the materials we're going to use. I'm going to be using the Ferrero Rocher Nugget. These are my favorites, as you guys know. I'm going to be using this little Fiskars bow punch to make some bows to decorate them. And I'm going to be using this paper pads from Jen Hatfield. This is not Valentine's, but it's pink, so it works. And you need to cut a strip of paper that measures 1 inch and 3/4 by 7 inches, and another piece that measures 2 3/4 by 5 inches. I'm going to use a scalloped square punch from Fiskars that measures around 1 3/8 inches. And we're going to score on the long side on our larger piece at 3/8. Then we're going to score at 2 1/8, and then we're going to score at 2 5/8. So let's score in here, and then we're going to score at 4 3/8, at 4 7/8, and finally for this piece at 6 5/8. And this is going to give us our top piece for our holder. We're going to fold the ends upwards, and everything else is going to be folded inwards, as you see me doing there. So make sure that you fold the ends up, and then the rest fold inwards on your score lines. And this is what you're going to be left with. It's sort of like a little tent. So this is going to be the outside of our holder. I'm going to round the ends, and I recommend you do this before you scored your piece, but I totally forgot. So I had to do it now. But if you do it before, it's a lot easier. And now I'm going to use my scallop square punch to create a window. But first, I'm going to make a template so I know where I should place my punch. So I punch a little piece of leftover cardstock. I apply a little adhesive to it, and I'm going to place it wherever I want to punch on my piece. So you're going to leave the little flap up unpunched, and then you're going to center your little square scallop, or you can use a round punch too. And then you're going to punch exactly where you created your template area, and that is going to give you the perfect positioning. And you can use this little leftover piece to create a to from tag for your holder. Now we're going to score our other piece on the short side at 1/2 inch and 2 1/4. We're going to turn it around and score on the long side at 1/2 inch at 2 1/4. Then we're going to score at 2 3/4, and finally at 4 1/2 inches. And we should have a piece that looks like this. So you can see the score lines, and we're actually going to cut a little flap over here. So what we'll do is we're going to mark the areas with a pencil that we need to cut out, and that way it's easier for you to see it. So once we have all our areas marked, we're going to start cutting them out. I'm going to share with all of you, my super sweet subscribers, a free template I made for this. This is not necessary. It's pretty easy to make, but hopefully it's helpful to you. So if you'd like to have it, make sure that you email me to the address that you see on the screen right now. I'm going to give you a tip to cut the center flaps, fold the other areas, and then you're going to have the flap alone so you can cut it easier. I wanted to say thank you so much to my sweet friends Heather, Rosa, Ebony, Dina, Holly, and Pamela. Thank you so much for your sweet presents and cards. And here's the piece that you're going to have left after you cut all your flaps. And now I'm going to make a template, a circle template that I'm going to apply some adhesive to, and I'm going to place it exactly what I want to punch my hole on this piece. So this punch measures 1 1/4 inch, and I'm going to fold the edge flap as you see me doing there. Make sure that you fold it because it's going to allow you to place your piece inside your punch wherever you want it. And then you're going to punch right at the template area. It's going to cut a little bit of the flap as you saw there, but it's really not going to miss anything. That is going to be covered. So fold your score lines as you see me doing there. And once we have everything folded, we are going to apply adhesive. And you'll see that you're really not going to have that area show too much, and actually I like it. You can cover it like this. I like showing it. I don't know, I think it gives it a little accent, but you can cover it with your little tint that you're going to use for the top of your piece. Now we're going to apply glue to this little flaps over here, only to those 3 flaps that I'm applying glue to, as you see. And then we're going to fold the bottom flaps so we can bring them in and then cover them with the flaps that we apply glue to. So it's super easy, as you see, and it will make a super adorable present for Valentine's, a super cute and yummy treat. So now you have your little holder, and I like using my bone folder. It's not going to be very comfortable, but I like at least trying to burnish a little bit so I make sure that it adheres and my little piece doesn't come undone. Then we're going to apply glue to the bottom of it, and then we're going to place it right in between the score areas over there, so it's very easy to find a place for it. Once we place it over here, I'm going to burnish again with my bone folder on the inside. It's a little finicky, but I really like doing it because I want to make sure that my piece adheres properly and it lasts. So now we're going to apply glue once more to that area over there, that scored area. And then we're going to bring those sides up against our little bottom. And that is going to bring the little tent together with the little holder. So this is how it's going to look. If you use double-sided paper, you don't need to do what I'm doing here. But what I like to do is I use the leftover piece to place it on the back. So when you hold your piece, it looks like you have the pattern paper also. It doesn't look all white, as it would do if you didn't put that piece in there. But if you use double-sided paper, you don't need to do that. So you'll see it will kind of like give it a background. And now I'm going to apply glue to the little flap over there at the top. You can apply acetate here, but I'd rather not do it that way because I like my little Ferrero Rocher to kind of like come out a little bit. So I don't use acetate. And this is actually not my original idea. I saw this idea ages ago. I don't even remember the name of the channel. I think she was a southern lady or something, Texas. I really don't remember. It was years ago when I didn't even plan to make videos or have a channel, so I didn't save the name. I would love to give credit to her, but I don't remember. But I think this is so adorable, super cute, super easy to make, and you can see how nicely finished it looks. And you can give this to your co-workers, to your kids' teachers, or little friends. And this will make super, super adorable and yummy treats. And they're so easy to make. You can actually mass produce them very, very easily. And you can decorate them any way you want to. I added the little bow, and I'm going to add a little heart in here to decorate. And a little sticker over there that says love. So you see there a different one I made. And you can decorate them to your heart's content. So now I'm going to have the winners for my Tuesday morning giveaway. I'm going to put my URL for my video for the Tuesday morning and select my first winner, Crafty Butterfly Fairies. My second winner is Bunny Medicine. Please contact me within a week so I can send your prizes out. If you don't, I will have to pick another winner. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing new year. Thank you for all the love that you gave me last year. I so appreciate you guys so much, and I hope that you keep finding inspiration in my channel in this new year. So thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. And I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.